Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a protein shake easily. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality protein powder, your preferred liquid base, and perhaps one or two simple additions. This method focuses on efficiency and great taste, ensuring you get a nutritious boost without any fuss. It's about creating a consistent, enjoyable routine. For the perfect shake, start with 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. Next, add 8 to 12 ounces of liquid. This could be water, milk, or a plant-based alternative, depending on your preference. For a touch of natural sweetness and extra nutrients, consider adding half a banana or a handful of mixed berries. These core components create a balanced and delicious foundation. The order of ingredients matters for a smooth blend. Always pour your liquid into the blender first, then add the protein powder and any other solid ingredients. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds, or until completely smooth and creamy. If you're in a hurry, a shaker bottle works wonderfully. Just add ingredients and shake vigorously for about 20 seconds. Feel free to customize your shake further. A tablespoon of almond or peanut butter adds healthy fats and a rich flavor. For an extra nutrient boost, a handful of spinach blends in seamlessly without altering the taste. Once blended, pour your shake into a glass and enjoy it immediately. This simple method ensures a delicious and nutritious protein shake every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.